Good morning, guys. Well, this is it. Listen, that's as loud as it's going to get. It's running full force right now. High fan. Compressors running outside, nice and quiet, and I really enjoy it. So this video is how I mounted up the brackets and the installation. And as you'll know, I got the copper tubing for the compressor right back here. I got that professionally installed. One for the warranty and two for the pump that I didn't have, and then would had to buy that and everything. And I got a really good offer for the guy to install it for me. So he overlooked my wiring and it was good. And then he installed the tube, vacuumed it, and sealed it onto the locations where it's supposed to go. So with that said, guys, enjoy the show. All right, guys, I'm working inside today. I'm going to connect the electrical power that goes from this unit to the compressor outside that I just installed yesterday. Today is day 2. So undid the screw here. It says to pop this right here. I don't want to break anything. All right, so I passed the wire from the back to here. Lord, okay, 1, 2, 3, and ground. 1, 2, 3, and ground. All right. All right, right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, it clearly says 1, 2, and 3, and the ground. We all know the green is ground, and then you got your red, white, and black. Now from the videos that I've seen and the instruction book over here, it says as long as it's connected the same 1, 2, and 3, the same colors, you're good. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna connect 1, 2, and 3, probably the red, white, and black. Red, white, and black. And then 1, 2, and 3 over there, probably the red, white, and black. I'm gonna verify that for a minute. And yeah, so I'll get back to you. I got my little holding bracket. Like the diagram says red, black, it says yellow, but it's always the other color. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's white. So I got my red, my black, my white. 1, 2, and 3. So on the unit, when I plug it, it's gonna be red, black, and white. On the unit, same thing, 1, 2, and 3. And then my ground. Alright guys, so I went and got a rubber grommet for this because I don't want the metal chafing on my eventually cut the rubber and then create a short. So bought a rubber grommet to protect it. That's it for that part. Now, that's it for that part. So on my other end, you can have my red, my black, my white, and then my neutral on my compressor outside. This is 16 feet long. It's gonna follow this hose that's gonna connect to my other hose, copper hose. So yeah, stick around guys, there's more. All right guys, the wind picked up a little bit. So right here I got my 1, 2, and 3 for my indoor unit. I have my load, and then I have the neutral, and then I have the ground for my power supply. Alright guys, that took a minute because I had to put these on there. I had to go to a hardware store and put these on because I just had regular wire and these need some type of hook. So I'm gonna put the load, the neutral, and then the load, the negative, and then the ground. So let's go for it. Alright guys, this is my mini split. It's working. It's running off the generator outside right now. Got my connection. Comes through here. I need to insulate that. Put a bracket there. And then I have it coming down. Lord. Coming down and out through my hole that I had for my other AC. Alright guys, there's my generator. It's about 9-10 feet away. No noise from here, just warm wind. It's connected. Goes across. And then it comes down, scoops underneath. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. I assembled the brackets. You also saw me do the propane also. Brackets for the propane tank. That was nice and solid. We installed the outdoor compressor. I installed this permanently with the lines. I installed the electrical, connected the wires, and I had a professional AC guy for the warranty and for the tools, the specialty tools that he has, like the vacuum pump and everything. Do it. He gave me a really good price. I was really happy, and man, I'm feeling that cold hair behind my back. Well, speaking of that, I ran it last night and I had to turn it up because I was freezing, and which is nice because with my other AC that couldn't have happened, and it was so quiet. I had a fan blowing and it was making more noise than my AC unit here. This is a perfect solution for any van, any trailer, any RV. Get one of these installed and it's gonna go great. Eventually with this, I want to beef up my solar to accommodate usage, and I think I'll be able to do that probably in a couple months or so, but I'll keep you posted on that. So really happy with this portion and with this video. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I did most of the work myself. My son helped me out also, which was a must because I couldn't have installed the brackets without somebody else. And then I had a professional install the line and vacuum the line. I have to finish up the rest of the install, which I'm gonna do shortly here. And yeah, really happy, guys. So thanks for sticking with me. Until next time, ciao.